Why do I literally feel like we're about to have a tea party? Wow, this should be my setup for my next like Q&A because it literally feels like you guys are interviewing me and like that's kind of cool. 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, and welcome to or back to my channel. Today's video is already going to be a mess and a half, I can tell you that. As you probably read by the title of this video, I'm going to be trying to do my own gel nails. Well, you see, the thing is, I've never had my nails done before. Like in my entire life. I've never gone to the nail salon. It literally scares me. Actually, I've been once. I went with my friend, but I refused to get my nails done and I just sat next to her the whole time. Maybe one day I'll try it, but like my anxiety could not cope with strangers touching my hands and like doing things for me. Like I just can't. It's just not it for me. But I do like having my nails look nice, and I've only ever used normal nail polish, like the basic nail polish that like chips in 2 days. And I've also tried the Essie gel ones that like don't require the lamp, but like they chip in like 5 days. And long story short, I originally bought this kit for a 2021 glow up video, which I still am doing, but I thought it would be really fun to just make the whole gel nail first time ever at home DIY Amazon kit thingamadoodle all on its own. It might just end up being one big comedic joke, you know? So let's just get started because I'm excited. Anyways, this came yesterday in the mail from Amazon. So despite having an irrational fear of the UV lamp giving me skin cancer, quick side note, I literally spent 3 hours trying to figure out the difference between polygel, acrylic gel, dip, and like I couldn't figure out which kit to buy, so I messaged like all my friends, all 2 of them. I bought the Gel Nails starter kit, and apparently it's great for beginners, which is me. It was only like $75 on Amazon. I know to get your nails done at the salon it's like $30 to $40, $50, I don't even know. I think buying a kit once will hopefully, you know, save you a lot of money. If I can figure this out and give myself a good manicure, is that what it's called, manicure, then you can do it too, because like, ugh. This is what the box looks like. It's very aesthetically pleasing. It's made in China. Of course it's made in China. Everything is nowadays. Here are all the colors that the kit comes with. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It comes with 12 colors, 2 different top coats and 1 base coat. For some reason I'm really feeling this purple, and I feel like obviously it would match my outfit very well. I'm kind of debating, oh, this blue is so pretty too. So there's what all the colors look like. They're so cute. I think the theme of this one was like kind of like pastel-y cute colors. Also, I tried to watch YouTube videos on how to do this, and I don't know why, like no offense to anybody, but like the voices were just really bothering me. And then we got the lamp thingy. Oh. Apparently it's really smart. We got smart digital time, smart over, smart painless, I hope it's painless. Smart time, smart double, smart sensor. It comes with hand moisturizing gloves. Is this just like a one-time use thing? Well, that's not very fun. The cable thingy, and all the like accessories are just stuffed inside there. Here's what the lamp thingy looks like. There's only 4 buttons for 10 seconds, 30, 60, and a different heat mode for 99 seconds. What's a nail brush? To clean? This looks like it's way too big for my nails, so maybe it's just to clean like this. Cuticle oil. What's cuticle oil? Am I supposed to put this on before or after I do my nails? Okay, it comes with 2 rings. What are these? What the No, actually though, what are these? Okay, it comes with 2 circles. I don't know what they are. If you guys know what these are or what these are for, please comment down below. It's like a disc. Ooh, it comes with like a bunch of pretty like glitter and stickers to put on your nails. UV gel nail polish remover. Oh, is this like to take it off when I'm done? Okay, wait, that's kind of weird. Guys, on the back, it literally says impregnate with 99% acetone. It says impregnate. I think that's the wrong use of the word impregnate. I might be wrong, but it literally says impregnate. Alcohol gel polish cleanser. Huh? What's the difference? This is a bunch of interesting tools that I don't know what any of them do or what they're for. There's a little fork, a rod with a circle on each end. I'm gonna guess this is to like place beads down. That would probably like you pick it up, like poke it and put on the nail, so I'm not using that today. And then there's a mini shovel. I think this is to like push your cuticle back. That's what Patricia told me that people do. Oh, ugh. No, I don't want to push my cuticle back. That's literally so scary. Ugh. Nope. No, I'm not gonna use that. And it comes with some more like Paris themed stickers. It's flowers and like perfume. And it comes with glitter if you want to put glitter on your nail. That's pretty cool. I've never had a French manicure done before. Like when people put the tip. Oh my god, that's actually cute. Wait. There's like guides, so like if you want to do the tip of your nail. For my first time, we're just gonna go basic. We're not gonna use all the accessories. If you guys want to see that in a separate video, let me know. But like, not doing that now. Doesn't come with instructions except how to turn this thingy on, but there's no other instructions. I'm gonna go get out Google. You know, if Google could help me pass my classes, it could definitely help me figure this out. I think there might have been instructions on the Amazon posting. Let's file the whole freaking thing. What? So the steps on everything to do is actually on the Amazon post, which is kind of like weird. I feel like it should have been printed out and put in the box. Okay, I know that this is a normal filer to like go around and shit, right? To like make it like rounded. Oh, it hurts. Why does filing your nail like hurt, especially your pinky? Am I just a big baby? Oh, everything just makes me cringe so bad. Oh, look at that. It's a perfect shape for your nail. Maybe that's just to file the top. Is this right? Like to file the top of your nail? I'm gonna get roasted so hard in the comments. Am I the only girl that doesn't know how to take care of their nails? Please tell me I'm not alone and that there's other people that just don't really care. Do I shake these? Do these need to be shaken? I don't know, because I know normal nail polish need to shake it, but I don't know about this shit. So I'm gonna start with the base coat, I guess. Oh, it smells. Okay, we're just gonna go for... You guys see that? Whoa, it glows. I'll show you after, but there's like a timer on the front and it's counting for you. Okay, the Amazon instructions, it says if it's a UV lamp, put for 1 minute. If it's an LED lamp, put for 30 seconds. But this is a UV LED lamp. People said they usually leave it for 60 seconds. Okay, my hand's tingling. Is that normal? If you go to the salon and get your nails done, please let me know if that's normal. That's kind of cool though how it's automatic. Okay, that's done. My hand feels funny. Is that normal? It's like tingly. Wait, maybe I shouldn't put a ring in there? I feel like that's just not safe, you know? So like, what do you guys talk about at the salon? Like, do you just sit there while your hand's in here? Apply first coat and then a second coat UV lamp for 2 minutes. Wow, okay. She a little thick. Like, I mean, okay, there's my first coat of purple. Interesting. I remember when I was a kid, my mom always not made me, but she always got me to like paint her nails for her. Because like, I have pretty steady hands, I think. Wait, what do you do if it gets on your skin? Can I use this to pick it off? Not sure if this fork thing was meant for that, but it works great on taking it off. It's always harder doing the other hand with your non-dominant hand, but honestly, I think we got it. I think the key to having like a steady hand is to make sure your elbows are like rested on something that's not gonna move. The other hand is done. Yeah, let me know if I'm using this right, because I feel like I figured out what it's for, but I might be using it wrong. Now I'm gonna cure, ooh, that's the word. I keep forgetting what it's called. I'm gonna cure this one. I mean, it's kind of a really thin color. I feel like I'm gonna need 3 coats, so I'm getting a little bit bored. I don't know about you guys. I also hate these stupid things. You know these things that you like use for your feet? I don't know, it makes me so uncomfortable if there's things between my toes, like, ugh. I'm not shaming anybody, but when you go to get like, what's it called, a pedicure? Guys, I used to think pedicure was pet-a-cure, and it's when your dog got their nails done. Turns out that's not what it means. Isn't it weird that people are touching your feet? No hate to you, you do you, treat yourself, do whatever you gotta do. I feel like I could not sit through a stranger touching my feet and like cleaning it and like painting it and like, I don't know, it just doesn't sit right with me. Cause nope. Not for me, madame. So I just finished the 3rd coat of color. The color looks really nice. I'll give you guys a whole close-up later. But now I need to do the top coat. I'm not sure if I want to do a matte top coat, which they have here in this little bottle, or just like a normal top coat. I think I'm just going to go with the normal top coat because I kind of like how they look a little glossy. The last and final step, and then I can freaking go to bed because I'm tired. And this requires a lot of brain energy, and I haven't used my brain all winter break. So I'm using the half heat power setting thing to do like one final cure of everything, and then we're going to see how these turned out. And I think after I'm going to use the cuticle oil. Do you have to wash cuticle oil off after, or do you just leave it? Whoa, it's hard. That is so cool. I have never touched my nails this fast after doing them. Massage oil over your cuticle to give them a fresh shine. Do not use before a manicure. Do you use it after? Apparently you're supposed to use cuticle oil after, says this website. I don't know how this works. Oh, do I just turn it and it comes out? I'm not sure how much oil. Oh, that actually kind of feels nice. Wow, I should do this. I should do this more often. It smells good. Wow, what the heck? Yeah, here are my nails. I'll give you this. Oh, I can't even get out. I've been sitting on my ass for so long. Here is a close-up of my nails. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, they look a little oily from the oil, but like, that actually looks pretty good. Like, you can't even tell that I did this in my bedroom. Some nail ASMR. But they're completely dry and they're completely hard, which is so cool. But like, from like at least this distance, they look really good. Now we're just gonna do an overall review. It literally comes with everything you need to take care of your skin or take care of your nails or whatever. All of the interesting tools that I'm pretty sure are very helpful, and I'm gonna learn how to do it. My friend's gonna teach me. Comes with amazing colors. 12 colors is literally a lot, and if you think about that, you can use these bottles like obviously more than once, so you're literally paying for how many manicures for just $75? You can do it at home. Obviously in the times that we're in right now, we're going to be spending so much time at home, so it is kind of a fun activity. It gives me something to do. I really like that it comes with these remover pads, because I know you have to use like acetone to take them off, and I thought I had to go buy like a bottle of acetone, but it comes with enough wipes and like pad thingies, I guess, to last like a couple. I like that it comes with a matte and gloss. I really like matte nails. This I just felt like doing it glossy because I usually don't. I still don't know what this big brush does, but it's really soft, so I mean 10 out of 10 for that. Packaging's cute. This works pretty well. The timer's nice. The different settings is nice. It either senses your hand and counts how long you have it in there and turns on, or you can use the preset timers or whatever, which is 10, 30, 60, and a half power for 99 seconds or 90 seconds. Nope, 99. Overall, drum roll please. I would say it's worth your money. $75 for X many amount of manicures you could do for yourself or pedicures. There's enough nail polish to last a long time. And yeah, I think it's definitely worth your money. It will be linked down below if you guys want to check it out. This isn't sponsored or anything. Here's Stitch. He came to see what all the commotion was about. But I also really love the drying time. Obviously, this isn't new technology. It's been around for so freaking long. But I've never tried it, and I'm so used to like painting my nails the first coat, waiting so long for it to dry, doing the next coat, and you can't touch anything, and like you're going around your house like this, and if you bump it on accident, it's gonna leave a dent, and it takes so freaking long to dry, especially if you're not like outside in the sun. And this beautiful little magical egg glue just dries them and cures them, and then they're just hard and you don't have to worry about it drying. That is literally so cool. To see how long they last and stuff and see if it chips, I'll probably try updating you guys like on my Instagram, or maybe I will in the comments of this video, or like in separate vlogs as like you see me with these nails and stuff. Make sure you're following if you want to stay tuned to how they hold up, and also like when I eventually need to take them off and stuff. Here are the shoddy shoutouts of this video. Thank you guys for leaving so many sweet comments. Getting messages from you guys is literally the highlight of my day every single day. And if you want to be in a shoddy shoutout, either comment something down below or on my Instagram, or send me a DM and maybe yours will get picked. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in my next video. Bye!